Class 4, Lecture 5, Subject English Grammar, Topic Pronoun. Good morning, students. Our today's topic is pronoun. As I told you in your previous lecture, that be prepared for it. By preparation, I mean that you have to study noun before pronoun. So it will make it a lot more easy for you people to understand it. Before writing, draw margin lines on both sides of the page. Write day, subject and date. After that, write pronoun with capital letters. Then start writing its explanation. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid the repetition of a noun. Example: Ali is a good boy. He wakes up early in the morning. Dear students, if I use Ali again instead of he, so it will not look good. See, Ali is a good boy. Ali wakes up early in the morning. Ali do this, Ali did this, Ali does this. So it doesn't make any, if it doesn't sounds good even, if you read it like this, that Ali, 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 so repetition of Ali makes it a bit weird. So you have to do what? To avoid that repetition of Ali, 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 you have to do what? You have to use he for Ali. If we have any female's name here, so you will she for her. If you have things, you will use it for that. And if you have so many people, so you will use they for them. Let's start writing the exercise. In its exercise, it is said that underline all the pronouns in the following sentences about Joan of Arc. I didn't underline them, so you can do what? I made heart shapes. So you can do what? You simply can make some lines like this. As in its exercise, it is said that underline all the pronouns. Start writing. Write A. She lived in France many years ago. You can do same things like that, or you just can underline it. She here is pronoun. In B, one day another country attacked her beloved France. Her is the reflexive pronoun of she. It is, you can say that, indirect she. So it is pronoun as well. So underline it. After that, in C, the soldiers came and burnt its villages. So it is a pronoun. Underline it. In D, John met the general. She asked him for a horse. In this sentence, we have two pronouns, she and him. In E, then she rode it into battle. In this sentence, again we have two pronouns, she and it. In F, she beat the army which was attacking them. Underline she and them. In G, unfortunately, many people did not like her. In G, underline her. In H, they thought she was a witch. Underline they and she. They all are pronouns in the given sentences. At the end, when you are done with the writing, draw a finish line. Write your work neatly. We will check it and will give you some remarks as well. Dear students, if you have any queries or question related to this topic or any other topic, so you can ask me in the comment section and give us some feedback as well. Thank you, students.